of yours really close. The Frappuccino is great in summer. It's getting very hot now, as you may have realized. 47 today. My goodness, I really need something to cool me down. Frappuccino, it's a great beverage for it. How to make a strawberry and cream? First, we will have to pour the milk to the line into a cup. We will make a tall size. You know we have 3 sizes available: the tall, the grande, and the venti. We will pour the milk to the first line. That will be our step 1. We'll keep the cup flat to make sure we have the right proportion. The step 2, we will pour the milk into the pitcher. We'll scoop ice into it, make it nice and cold. Cold size. You may have realized I have different size also of scoop, different color at the back. It's to make sure we have the right proportion and the right amount of ice. And we will pump the base all the way down, all the way up. That's the cream base, which gives it a delicious texture. And we'll put into the blender. We will press the number 1 always to make sure it's not over blended, it's nice and thick. Step 6 and last and final, it's finished, it's blended. What we want to achieve now, it's a marble effect. I have here a pump of strawberry. I will put it 1 pump, 2 pump, shake it from front to back, and pour it back into the cup. We'll finish the drink with delicious whipping cream. And you may have noticed we make it personalized. This one would be for a special guest tonight. Michelle.
I'm not the guest. Well, you are the guest.
And you now have a perfect strawberry and cream. Feels ready to go for it. Thank you.